Okay, so I've just climbed in here into this terracotta tile roof, and I've got the hose up here and I'm about ready to start insulating it. So terracotta tiles aren't the same as concrete tiles, these are clay tiles, and they don't come out the same way. So when we're finished I might show you how they come out, but they're a bit specialised. A lot of guys try and kick them up, in which case you'll break them, and that. But what I wanted to show you is inside this roof space. Now you can see there we've got the battens running across on top of the plaster and the joists there, right? But these joists are old hardwood joists, and so they're a lot bigger than your modern house, and I'll get to that in a second. This has got your ducted air conditioning system up here, so we'll lift that up and pump underneath it, and it's got an exhaust fan there that we'll put some bats around, and over here we've got the manhole cover. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so we're just going to put a bat over that, so then that's insulated as well. But this is what I was saying to you about the height of the joists, is that this is an old house, and see you've got about a 20mm batten, and then another 125mm for your joist height. So you've got 145mm there. So because we're pumping in the insulation to 100mm, we should actually be down from the tops of joists when we're finished, right? Should be 45mm, 40mm down from the top of the joist, so up to about there, right? Now a lot of people think that it should always be at the tops of joists. Well, if your joists are 100mm, it'll be at the tops of them. If they're 90, it'll probably be over them, and if they're, in this case, 145, it'll be 40mm or 45mm below the tops of the joists. So that's important to remember, and it hasn't meant that the product's settled, it just means that your joist heights are a different height. This has got a little drop ceiling down here where this cupboard is, so we'll put some bats over the top of that, stop any insulation falling down there, and so anyway, we'll get in and do the job, and I'll probably show you what it looks like when we're finished.